The 2015 Dodge Dart. The Dodge Dart was introduced as a lower-priced, shorter wheelbase, full-size Dodge in 1960 and 1961, became a mid-size car for 1962, and finally was a compact from 1963 to 1976. Chrysler had previously applied the Dart name to a Ghia-built show car in 1956. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player, trip computer, rear window defroster, security system, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.